What is up, everyone? I think I may have found the most reasonable price home in all of the Central Valley, and it is north of Bakersfield. It's about 15 minutes north of Bakersfield. It's in Shafter. The builder is John Balfanz, and it is Mills Ranch, and you can get into a home for about $350, mid $350 to high $350. Hey everyone, this message is super urgent. I'm out here in Shafter, and the reason why I'm highlighting this community, it's called Mills Ranch, because a lot of people that have been looking for a home in Bakersfield have been priced out of Bakersfield. So this is another alternative to potentially getting a home here. Just a 15-minute drive from Bakersfield, and the cool part is it is in a rural area, so there's an opportunity to do a USDA loan. That loan is amazing, but I want you to reach out to me so I can connect you with the lender, and they're gonna go over all the details because it's supported by the government. So it's a USD loan. I don't know all the details, but I know the people that have got it. It's amazing. So please reach out to me. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see the things that happen daily in Bakersfield and now maybe Shafter, follow my Skate Agent platform on Instagram and Facebook so that you can see stuff that happens on a daily. All right, next home.